Hi, Hunter.
Yeah.
What's it doing outside?
And
Is the wind blowing?
yeah, very hot.
What happened to our tomato covers?
It was blue, right? Most of it, not very much.
About
So,
8 of them, huh?
like 8 but not very much.
So how are we gonna go fix it?
6 them like with pigs.
Yep, we're gonna put steaks in there.
Yeah, we're gonna get baby pigs and baby pigs go in the big pigs. So we don't get those big pigs.
Oh, we're excited for pigs too, aren't we?
Yeah.
But first, we gotta go fix our tomato covers so our little tomato plants don't blow away, huh? Because it's blowing so hard, I think it might have bent the trampoline. But I think about 8 of our tomato covers survived, didn't they?
Yeah, America would 8 of them.
Let's go fix them.
Go fix them.